Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you a remote starter installed in Audi Q5 2018. We've used the iData two-way remote starter, which gives us a confirmation when the car is running. So first we're going to hold the start button. Your command has been sent, the vehicle will start. In a few seconds we're going to have a confirmation on the remote that the car is running. Now we can see that the car is actually running. We have the confirmation on the remote. Every few seconds we're going to have a confirmation on the remote showing us the car is still running. The key takeover on this vehicle is very simple. You go inside the car, open the door and just press the brake and drive. Turn off the vehicle. You can also turn it off from the remote starter, so you can hold the start button again and the vehicle will turn off. Remote starter for Audi and other vehicle is available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.